Tamil Nadu and Karnataka recently amended the Factory Act, 1948, extending daily working hours from 8 to 12 and 9 to 12 respectively, driven by Apple and other global manufacturers. However, following union opposition, Tamil Nadu placed these amendments on hold, with Chief Minister M.K. Stalin announcing their withdrawal. In contrast, the Congress party criticized the BJP-led Karnataka government's anti-labor policies, while pledging to repeal these amendments within a year of taking office, casting uncertainty on their future. With Tamil Nadu's reversal, a similar U-turn in Karnataka seems plausible. Join us as we delve into the implications of these legal shifts for workers, manufacturers, and the nation's quest for global manufacturing supremacy. India's reputation for policy uncertainty is reinforced by recent labor law amendments in Tamil Nadu and Karnataka, highlighting the disparity between organized and unorganized labor conditions. The amendment withdrawals will chiefly benefit organized sector workers compliant with regulations. However, most Indian jobs fall short of set standards as manufacturers often bypass legal protections by hiring through vendors. But global companies do not bend laws this way. The southern states in fact introduced the legal changes to attract investments from large global manufacturers, especially Apple, which has been manufacturing in India since 2017, that have long complained about the country's outdated labor laws. As global manufacturers aim to diversify their supply chains away from China, Indian states are eager to attract them. However, despite manufacturers' demands, changes in working hours may not significantly influence their choice of a new factory location. Chinese supply chains are highly complex, as revealed by a series of reports in the Financial Times earlier this year. They depict how entrenched Apple's supply chain is in China and why it will be difficult to replicate it elsewhere. Apple depends on China for more than 90% of the output of key products and earns about a fifth of its revenue there, $74 billion last year. Guangdong, where Apple's component makers are largely located, offers world-beating efficiency in customs clearances and turnaround time at ports. Provincial governments in China offer preferential policies, such as tax exemptions, apartment complexes for migrant labor, warehouses, highways and airports to Apple's component makers. Back in 2010, Apple got international criticism following a series of reports about slavery. Said the FT report mentioned above, after more than a dozen workers died of suicide at component-making factories in China, which have grueling schedules. But weak labor protections are now a minuscule part of China's lure. The use of robots is on the rise, and automation is only going to increase. Weaker labor protections, therefore, cannot be the way to attract investments. Instead, states must strive for better.